Nowadays, the world is very fast and dynamic, and for example, if we order fast food from like McDonald's, we want the food to arrive immediately, like within 5 minutes. And if we want to go to a different city, then we want to get there as fast as possible. And this is similar to YouTubers nowadays who want to make videos like as fast as possible. So today, let's explore how to make videos 10 times faster. So firstly is to balance time, because now we will have so many things to do, including like work or hobbies or family. So where is the time for YouTube? Especially because many YouTubers like already have like a job as well, and YouTube is just like a part-time thing they do as well. So most of their time is spent going to work and then commuting back, and then afterwards there's not much time to do anything else. So first we have to separate YouTube into 5 stages. So you have the idea. So for example, if you are interested in economics and you saw on a newspaper something about like the increasing tariffs between like America and EU, and then you would want to look more into that for your video. And then the title, thumbnail and hook, which can be simplified to like TTH, which is really important because it's like the packaging of your video and what the viewer sees first before they even click on your video, and it's how they decide on whether or not they want to watch it. Then is writing, which is basically like writing what your video is about, or like the script on what it is and what you're going to say in your video. And then filming it, where you can use like there's lots of different devices you can use that are like expensive, but you can also just start out just using like your phone, because like even Mr. Beast, when he first started out, he was just making videos on his phone, like in his car, and like he didn't really have like a studio with all these fancy equipment he has now. And also like editing, which is like really important, which is recommended to outsource the editing because it takes too much time to do it yourself as well. And I know like a video from Ali, and he was saying that he could save, like outsourcing his videos was one of the best decisions he's made in his YouTube career, because he saved up to 10 hours a week like without having to edit his own videos, and it freed up a lot of his time so that he could spend his time like doing other stuff. So like basically like that is just like value your time. So would you rather edit your videos? Because if you really enjoy editing, then obviously you can do it yourself, but would you rather edit, or would you do other stuff instead, like think of new YouTube ideas, or even spend more time with family or friends, because that can also help reduce stress like in the like big picture, and that's also a really good thing to spend time with them as well. And let's go like deep into the importance of the title, thumbnail and hook. So many people, when they make the videos, they record the video and they have like a really good idea and everything, and then just as they upload it, they do like the title and the thumbnail in the last second, and they don't think about it much. But actually it's one of the most important parts, and you should like think of that first, because like many famous like YouTubers, they don't even think about the rest of the video or writing the rest of the video unless they know for exactly what their title and thumbnail is going to be. Because however good your video is, if you don't have a good title or thumbnail, nobody's going to click it. And if people don't click on the video, then they're not going to watch it at all. So it's most important, yeah, because audience don't know how brilliant your video is or anything, and they only see the title and thumbnail. And yeah, the title and thumbnail should also like target viewers as they set expectations to what your video is going to be about. And you should like specifically make your like thumbnail like engaging for your target audience. So if it's like Mr. Beast, then he targets more like younger audiences, so he has more different colors in his thumbnails and bright letters that pop out, and like big letters as well. But for like Ali, for example, his thumbnails are more like neutral toned down colors, because it's more targeting like people who want to be more productive, or like older viewers as well, who are like more mature. And also the title as well, it should be like straight and specific and straight to the point, and it needs to be like engaging enough so that the audience simply can't like just ignore it. So it has to feel like they're missing out on something by not clicking on the video. And it also should reflect what the video is about. So if your title was I stepped on a bug, but the video was 20 minutes long, it's going to have much less click-through rates than if it was like 5 seconds long, because people don't want to see you stepping on a bug for 20 minutes, and that's going to make them lose interest in the video. And finally is don't script. So instead of scripting, just bullet point the video instead, because scripting can take a long time, and even for a 10 to 20 minute video, scripting it can take the whole entire day. And it's also much more efficient if you just bullet point it. And if you're going to make a video, like the video should be something you're confident talking about already, and something you're like interested in and know a lot about, like you can speak without having to read off like a script, because it also makes you more confident and it seems more natural for the viewers. And and also because it looks like really strange if you're just like reading off a piece of paper and like trying to look at the camera at the same time. And it can also like boost your consistency, because it reduces the time needed to make one video and upload it, so you can upload videos much more frequently to make like the algorithm favor you as well. So like overall, I think it's like really important to be able to like to just like know the importance of the title, thumbnail and hook, because it's one of the first thing the viewer sees. And also to like outsource editing, because as soon as you can, because it can save up to 10 hours a week, which is a lot of time you can spend doing other things as well. And also to like not script and just do bullet points and speak like more naturally instead. And that's all for today. Thank you.